Hey y'all, welcome back to Corey's World. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm going to do some boho butterfly locks, and this is what the hair looks like. Came like this. This is the wrapping hair. 8 inches, I think Marley twist 1B, and these are the locks 1B, and these are 18 inches, and I'll be putting them in my hair. My hair is already pre-parted. Yeah, pre-part, plait and everything. So just the installation process I'll be doing on camera, but you just part it to how you like it. You can do some twists. You don't even have to plait them to the end, but I'm trying to protect my natural hair, so I plait them to the end, and then you just install them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, you're going to need this. It comes with the hair. Normally they come with the hair with some gems, and also if you want the roots to be slick, you can use jam or gel or whatever that you prefer, but I don't know if I'm going to be using jam. It doesn't really matter to me. Yeah, so let's get into it. This is how the wrapping hair comes straight out of the bag. You can cut it in half, or you just, depending on how long your hair is, you separate it. I normally go in with a little piece first and then add more if I need more. But I normally start with something like this and then I add more to it if it needs more. Remember, you're trying to cover your natural hair. Now this is how I do it. Everybody's gonna have a different technique. You put the hook through your hair, then you attach the hair, close the hook, bring it through just a little bit, just enough for it not to ride. Then you are going to go in with this hair. So I normally cut it and cut it. If your hair is longer, you can leave it long, but I like to cut it. See? This here, your hair, just a little bit. You're gonna leave some space. Oh my god. I should have just like my hair back. Some space on it, right? Then you wrap it around. You do a few times at the root just to secure it. Then you wrap. You just continue to wrap. Go straight down. I'm not sure if the angle is good. And you just ensure that you're wrapping and you're covering your hair plus the additional hair that you left. You just wrap. You just wrap until there's no more wrapping here. Then you add another piece, and that's basically it. I don't think I'm on. So you leave just a piece. wrap until your hair is covered. Still a little piece left. It is gonna be a little stiff at first, but like the older it gets, the better it looks. And that's basically it. And you repeat that until, oh my god, that's why they give me so much trouble. Lord Jesus. And this is a wrap up this night. And you're gonna basically repeat that until your head is done. I'm going to do it from a different angle and really show, no mind right here, so it'll grow, and really show you how it's done. So open your hook, put it through. You're gonna attach the loop to the open hook, close it, pull it through just enough, right? Just enough that it doesn't slip off, right? You're gonna have 3 pieces: the hair, loop, your hair. Separate a piece of the wrap hair, maybe a little bit more than this. You're gonna leave just enough, right? You're gonna put just enough at the root. You're gonna leave that. Just hold it with the other. Then you're gonna secure the root with a long piece. Maybe 3 to 4 times, and then you start going down. We're gonna go down. Remember the piece that you left, you can add it in and continue to go down with it. You're gonna wrap until the hair is covered. It's gonna be tight when you're doing it, but by the time you let it go, it's fine. You cover your natural hair. So that's it. It's gonna be a little stiff for the first few days, but that's it. Repeat. I'll come back when I'm almost done or when I'm done, and then I'll show you the final results. This is how it turned out. It's super cute. Just to add some finishing touches, little bit of edges. And you can style it any way that you want to style it. You can put it up, you can put it in a bun, half up, half down. Thank you so much for watching.